an iconic Ferrari F40, and a Volvo estate. Not something you would normally put together. Whether you own a multi-million-pound legend or a humble Volvo, every car is someone's pride and joy. You have probably already heard on the internet, a Volvo hits a Ferrari F40. But what actually happened here? The F40 suffered light front side damage. Not catastrophic. But when you're dealing with a multi-million-pound icon, even a speck of bird droppings feels like a crisis. For the unfortunate owner of the F40, this visit to the Nürburgring will be both a costly repair bill and a bruising blow to their pride. But what actually happened? The most famous petrol station near the Nürburgring, often referred to as Ed's Tankstelle. It's a popular spot for car enthusiasts and those visiting the Nürburgring. The Ferrari F40 had been seen driving around a number of times and then stopped here for a break. Spotted heading out for another cruise around, can you really blame the owner for showing off his pride and joy? It was then seen coming back, and a little later, another pass by. But this time, with disaster. You have to feel sorry for the owner of the F40 and equally the Volvo owner. His trip from the UK to the ring most likely didn't continue as planned after this. Let's look at the accident again in slow motion. Only a light touch, but enough to cause damage. I don't think auto glim scratch removal will help here. This is going to need paint. It seems the F40 in 2025 is becoming more famous for the wrong reasons. Let's hope no more get damaged, and remember, red cars go faster. So they say.